In the deepest regions of the night sky, the James Webb Space Telescope has uncovered a cosmic fossil. A galaxy so ancient that its light has traveled for over 13.5 billion years to reach us. Its name is JWST 140. It is currently the most distant and oldest galaxy that has ever been observed. What makes this discovery even more staggering is not just its age, but what it tells us about the early universe. Let's embark on an exciting journey to explore this captivating celestial object and unravel the mysteries it holds. The light from this galaxy began its journey just 290 million years after the Big Bang. At that point, the universe was only about 2% of its current age. It was a time when the first stars were igniting, galaxies were forming from clouds of hydrogen and helium, and the cosmic web we see today was beginning to take shape. Seeing this galaxy is like peering through a keyhole into the past, into an era that has never been directly observed before. Discovered through the JWST's NIRCam and confirmed with NIRSpec, JWST 140 appears as a surprisingly bright and well-formed galaxy for its age. This challenges some long-standing assumptions in cosmology. Early galaxies were thought to be small, irregular, and chaotic. But this one, it already has a structured shape and emits far more light than anyone expected. That means it had a rapid star formation, suggesting that galaxy formation may have kicked off sooner and more efficiently than our models predicted. What does this mean? If galaxies like this were already forming stars so early in cosmic history, then the timeline of the universe's evolution might need serious revision. Presence of heavier elements in its light spectrum suggests that the first stars in this galaxy may have already lived and died, releasing heavier elements back into space. That's rapid evolution for such a young system. Scientists estimate that JWST 140 has a stellar mass of hundreds of millions of suns. For context, that's still dwarfed by the Milky Way's hundreds of billions. That's massive for such an early time in the universe. This means that this galaxy had already undergone several generations of star formation just a few hundred million years after the Big Bang. But how was this even possible? There are two main theories. One suggests that dark matter halos, the invisible scaffolding of the universe, were more massive and better organized than we thought in the early cosmos, allowing gas to collapse into galaxies more quickly. As for the other point, our understanding of cosmic inflation and matter distribution after the Big Bang is missing some crucial details. Either way, the presence of a galaxy like this forces scientists to revisit the equations that describe the universe's early moments. The discovery was made as part of the JWST Advanced Deep Extragalactic Survey, or JADES. This program targets some of the most distant points in the sky using deep infrared observations, perfect for spotting galaxies whose light has been stretched by billions of years of expansion. With every new dataset, JWST is not only fulfilling its promise, but it's also rewriting chapters of cosmic history. One of the most intriguing features of this galaxy is its redshift measurement. Redshift indicates how much the wavelength of the galaxy's light has been stretched due to the expansion of the universe. A higher redshift value signifies that the object is both farther away and older. For decades, the record for cosmic redshift has gradually increased. So, what happens next? Scientists will keep their eyes fixed on the same patch of sky, gathering more light, more data, and more clues. JWST 140 may not be alone. If one such galaxy exists, there may be hundreds or thousands more hidden. In the veil of early time, and with JWST's mission just beginning, we're standing on the edge of an era where the impossible becomes observable. In the end, this isn't just a discovery, it's a message from the dawn of time. A whisper from an age when stars were young and space itself was still finding its shape. And we, floating on our small world billions of years later, have finally learned how to listen. If this kind of cosmic storytelling fascinates you, subscribe to the channel, There's so much more the universe is waiting to show us. Thanks for watching.